Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to wire up these fake S2s onto your 400EX on the steering wheel to work with the high beams. Before we continue, we need to take these two bolts off, get our lights in the brackets, and then put them on here so we get so we can cut the wires to length. Once you get your brackets on, super easy. I'll redo it for you guys. So I got one bracket on, and then just slide the original bolt in through there. Put it back where it came from. And then just get it kind of tight. And bolt them up to the brackets. Now we have to get a wrench, 12mm wrench, and tighten these up. Once you get them lined up where you want them to, you tighten them up. Alright, these brackets are a little different, so I had to punch these things in because it would stop the bolt from turning before it was actually tight. But I just put on the floor, held it with some pliers, and then hit it with a hammer and just punched them in. Alright, they're finally mounted after a lot of work. Holy crap, these brackets were definitely not designed to go on here. But they're on there, that's how they look. And now we begin to wire. Alright, I came up with a better idea. We know that the blue and the white are our high beam and ground. But instead of tapping in through here, I'm gonna run the wire down, follow the loom down through here, and tap it in here. Every time you guys wire, always try to mock these up first, see how you like it or not. Ouch. Almost cut my damn finger off, man. Okay, now we're gonna separate it with the blue and white. And the white and gray. So, these are gonna work if you connect it to the blue one. It'll work only with the high beams. Okay. And we're gonna join the wire right about here. Never cut them at the same time because you could short it out because you're making contact with the ground. So cut one by one. Cut them. Strip the wire. Make it pretty long for this one. Right about there, I would say. Always give yourself a little bit of slack, just in case. Actually, I'm gonna give myself a little bit more slack. Right there. Now this part is tricky. You gotta peel the stripping back. No, I didn't. I'm gonna use the I think it's 12 to 10 gauge butt connector. It's gonna be really hard to butt connect it to this little wire. The only reason I'm doing that is because it's a little hard to get these 3 wires to fit into a small little butt connector. Make sure you crimp really tight. Now for this one, peel it back pretty far back. This is when wiring sucks. When you're doing shit like this. That looks like it's in. Alright. Voila. Now we have to do the same operation to the negative. Peel it back some. Make sure they're all together. Because right now it looked like they were all together, but one of the LED lights, one of the grounds was not in there. And then same operation to this dumbass wire. Alright. Now, let's see if they work. It should. Alright. Headlights on. Why is that happening? Alright, I figured it out. I think when I was crimping these, I accidentally pulled it a little bit too hard. But it's all good now. Turn the switch on. Turn headlights on, low beam. And then turn your high beam on. Boom. Oh, what the hell? There's something. Yeah, there we go. But there you go, guys. That's how you mount some fake S2s onto your 400EX quad using your high beam switch. High beam off, headlights still on, headlights off, high beam on. They won't come on unless they're on. There we go. Power off, everything goes off. Figured I'd show you guys one more look at it. All done. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, this is a little outside POV. This is with the low beam on and the high beams. Turn the wheel and it follows it. So the lights still shine forward and to the side because they're on the steering wheel. This is completely off. As you can see, it's really dark. High beam off, high beam on.